Hello everybody. Okay, we have another project here. Let's put it on. Okay. We don't need the button now, okay? But yeah, this was set up for the previous, but it's actually simple now. It's just a sound that I wanted to show. Okay, let's upload it. Let's upload it. Okay, so this is the way it works. Obviously, don't worry about this wire here because we're not using the button. Although I do have a button on the card, but it doesn't need a button. What we have here, it's the buzzer, which is pin number 8, as we discussed earlier on, and that's it. Okay. So the button is not required. It's just a sound. So, and here the card. Same principle of the previous one, where you have the pitch here. Okay, this is it's the public constant, all right, and here it's the code for the music, right. And I will post this one on the YouTube channel, okay, and it's just purely just a sound, and then it is starWarsTheme and starWarsThemeDuration. This is a duration, okay, and just to repeat itself, you know, it just keep on playing. Yeah, the idea would be to put the button, press a button to stop the button, but I haven't been able to program that. Not sure why, but I spent a full day wasting a lot of time for one button. And then I thought just let it run as it is. Someone else we can. I've put the card for the button on. Might not be, not sure why. I've tried to put a resistor, 10K resistor here, but still I couldn't get it going. So, but the button does work on it when I test it. So it worked on the previous program as well, but it doesn't work with the music. I think there is a problem when you have a running music and then you're trying to press a button. It has got to do with timing as well, but nothing to worry about. It has got nothing to do with this project. Okay, guys, well, there we are, and that's maybe one more time. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Have a good Sunday. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.